we have another question. I recently heard that the biggest Gen I use case adopted in the workplace is the ability to summarize content. Do you agree? And also, do you see any other heavily adopted use cases? Any thoughts on that, Ken?
Summarization, I think is absolutely the current strength it's been for a while because it's very factual. You're giving it a
Yeah.
context. You just need to summarize it. Now, just like opinion, everyone has one. Everyone can summarize something, but so there's
Hmm.
so many different ways to skin a cat. And again, not eating cat, not eating any animal. Just it's a saying, okay? There's so many ways to approach things.
True. I mean, there's so many ways to approach things. I think it really depends on the business and the office. Anytime you have a big data set, whether it be an article, a meeting summary, just anything where there's data, certainly it does kind of give you a factual output that you can take from and prompt it to give you certain pieces more than others.
Yeah.
So that's definitely one of the ways that people are using it.
So one more point on
Please.
that is if I'm taking a step back, the summarization is the middle of the life cycle of a piece of
Mm.
content because it's been produced before.